Greetings and welcome. Subscribe the channel Thermal Engineering for video sessions. In this session, you will be able to explain Fick's law of diffusion. By Fick's law of diffusion, it gives a relationship between the diffusion flux to its driving potential based on experimental results. Here we see diffusion process means movement of solid molecules from an area of higher concentration to an area of lower concentration. Higher concentration for a species means more molecules of that species per unit volume. Fick's law of diffusion in binary mixture. For this, consider a tank containing gases A and B which are separated by a partition wall. This is a concentration diagram. So this is a CA curve, that is concentration of species A, and this is a dotted curve CB, that is concentration of species B. Open circles shows species A and dark circle shows species B. When partition is removed, the gas A diffuses into gas B from left to right, while gas B diffuses into gas A from right to left due to concentration difference. This diffusion of gases continues until the equilibrium is reached and the concentration of gases becomes uniform in a whole container. The rate of diffusion of gases is related by Fick's law. Thus, the Fick's law of diffusion states that the rate of mass flux of a species per unit area is proportional to the mass concentration gradient, means concentration difference. Mathematically, the diffusion of species A into species B, means diffusion of gas A into gas B, is related by the equation, that is JA is equal to m dot A divided by A, where m dot A is the mass flow rate of species A, its unit is kilogram per second. A is the area through which mass is flowing, unit is meter square. So JA, that is the rate of mass flux per unit area of species A, its unit is kilogram per second meter square. So at the end of this session, you can explain Fick's law of diffusion. Subscribe the channel for other video sessions. Thank you.